Hello everyone, welcome to Bubble Food Decks. Today I'm going to share with you how to make an aromatic homemade soy milk drink. The ingredient for soy milk is simple. We only need soybeans and water. Firstly, we have to soak soybeans in the water overnight. If the weather is hot, I recommend keeping the bowl in the fridge to keep the soybeans fresh. It is also important to use a big bowl because the soybeans will double in size when soaked overnight. Now the soybean is ready. Let's get started. Firstly, we get to drain the soybeans. Next, we add the drinkable water and soybeans to the food processor or blender to blend them well to make raw soy milk. I recommend not blending all soybeans in once because the water might spill out when you blend it. I usually blend half of the soybeans each time and use 500 ml of water. We use drinking water to blend it because this is the raw soy milk that we are going to cook. Make sure the soybeans are finely blended with the drinking water. It is better to use blender to blend water and soybean finely. However, anyone can use a food processor to make good soy milk, just like me. It is normal for soybean pulp to settle at the bottom, making two separate layers. Next, add all raw soy milk including soybean pulp to the pot. And also remember to add the rest of the water into the pot because we are going to start to cook it. In this recipe, we cook the raw soybean milk with the soybean pulp. In this way, the soya milk will have stronger soybean aroma. However, some people will prefer to filter the soybean pulp out at this stage. Use the high flame to boil the raw soybean milk. After boiling it, keep boiling for 15 to 20 minutes. There is another important tip. When you boil the raw soy milk, do not use the lid to avoid overflow. It is also important to keep stirring the raw soy milk to avoid getting burned. Make sure you keep an eye on the raw soy milk because when it is about to boil, it can overflow very quickly. When this happens, quickly turn down the heat to medium or low and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes. As the soy milk foam continued to overflow from the pot, I decided to skim off some of it. However, you don't need to do this unless you encounter the same issue. After boiling it for 15 to 20 minutes, make sure soy milk does not taste bitter before you turn off the flame. If it still tastes a bit bitter, boil it for another 5 minutes and check it again. After it cools down a little bit, filter the soy milk using a fine mesh strainer and a soy milk bag. Soy milk bag is similar to a nut milk bag or cheesecloth. With soy milk bag, you can squeeze more soy milk out from the soybean pulps. As we mentioned just now, If you prefer to cook the soy milk without soybean pulps in it, you will need to do this step before you cook the soy milk. If you like sweet soy milk, you can add sugar at this stage while the soy milk is still warm. As to soybean pulp, we can use it to make other dishes. I'll share with you in the future. Now the soybean is ready to serve. There are 3 ways to enjoy it. First is directly drink this rich aroma, smooth and silky soy milk. Second is to mix it with fresh milk. My favorite ratio is 50-50. I call it soy milk milk. Third is the popular one. Mix it with coffee and make your own homemade soya latte. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this soya milk. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and press like. Thank you very much. See you next time.